Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be vlogging. I have a new vlogging camera. This is a Canon G7X. I bought it impulsively. Should I have did it? No, but we're here today. So I'm going to take you in the store with me vlogging. This is going to be awkward. My parents are standing back there. So yeah, this is my first vlog on this camera. So let's see how this goes. I have to get used to this camera. I don't know how to. The autofocus is kind of questionable. But I'm not gonna buy nothing. I'm just in here because, yeah. So we're gonna see how that goes. This is so awkward. I'll come back when we're done with something, okay?
Now we get the big.
What scent is this? Fresh berries? Yeah.
8,000. They 8,000. They cheaper somewhere else.
Please do not pick up the candles by their lids. Look at all these rugs. Jesus Christ. Those is $99. Wow. Hello guys, we're in Costco right now. What are we doing?
We shopping.
Okay you guys, this is Premier Protein. They have a cafe latte. Wow, 30 grams. This would be good to drink before I go to the gym. But I bought a Fairlife one which was about the same. And it's better. Well, in a way. These are also a good source of protein. I don't know why it takes so long to focus, but this one only has 9. They have a high protein one. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay, but anyways, you guys, I'm in the car and what kind of energy drink I got from Costco? Like, I don't know what this is. Like I said earlier, this is a new camera, so I'm trying to get used to it. It was very impulsive buy. Don't really know if I needed it or not, but now we have it, so we're just gonna have to deal with it. I think when I get home, I'm going to either clean my room or apply my wig. I think I'm gonna apply my wig. I'm just gonna include it in this vlog because why not? I mean, I could film a whole nother video. Do I want to do that? So tell me why Skillshare got me. Like, okay, so it was supposed to be due tomorrow, yes, but I was gonna cancel it today. It was like a free trial. I was gonna cancel it today, child. Tell me why when I'm about to cancel it, they're like, are you sure? And they're gonna give me another month. Tell me why I took another month. So now I got it for another month for free. Child, they got me. That's what we're doing right now. I'm in the car because I don't wanna go in the grocery store. I'm stalling like real bad. I don't wanna go in the grocery store right now because I just don't. There's nothing I need. I went to Publix earlier this month or this week. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, so I went to, it's the camera cricket, child. Yeah, I don't have a tripod yet. I literally just bought this camera yesterday. I'm going to apply this sunlight. Oh my gosh, y'all. I look so glossy right now. Like, what's the tea? Why am I so glossy? What? Anyways, child, like I said, I bought a wig from West Kiss Hair, so I'm just going to include that in this vlog. I've never seen a truck that color. But anyways, child, I'm just going to include that in this vlog because why not? Yeah, I am so confuffled. A curly hair wig. I already bleached the knots and everything. Yeah, I was going to do my hair this morning, but I had to go to the bank. And the bank closed at 1 on Saturday, child. So tell me why I just threw this wig on top of my head and it's not even glued down. This wig is not glued down on my head, but I was in a rush. This wig is literally just sitting on my head. We're gonna fix that when we get home. I might film a TikTok. It's a lot being a content creator. Like, it's a lot of stuff. Actually, when we leave from here, I kind of want to go to Five Below to see if they got some kind of tripod, because I mean, I could order one from off of Amazon, but is it gonna be here in time? I don't think so. I was gonna go to the gym, but I gotta do my hair. Also, you guys, tell me why somebody at my job job tested positive for COVID. I know who it is, obviously. Tell me why everybody, my whole work crew is gone except me, my boss, and another supervisor. It's only 3 of us there. It's really 2 bosses and me, and I'm not a boss, so I'm the only one working. And they could have just added me to the list too, cause like, why they just gonna leave me there by myself like that? Like, I'm literally there by myself. They could have just added me, child. They're gonna be gone for 10 days. They get a 10-day vacation, child. And what do I gotta do? I gotta report to work every single day. But oh well, I get paid next week, so. And y'all, anyways, it was like a paid leave, so I would have gotten paid. I don't know why I came. I only came because I had to go to the bank. I could have just drove here by myself, drove to the bank by myself, but they're in Winn-Dixie. I don't know if y'all have a Winn-Dixie where y'all are from. Comment down below if you have one. We used to have Food Lion here like years ago when I was a little girl, but they got rid of those. So tell me why I went to Albany and they got Food Lions down there now. And it's like nostalgic because I used to love Food Lion. And I still haven't even been to the one in Albany. So yeah, but comment down below if you got a Winn-Dixie. The headquarters is here, so of course they're still building new ones here, but yeah. Very great store. Wow, look what somebody left in here. A Monster energy drink. These are pretty.
Yeah.
These are pretty. Oh, come on, look at this one. This one's pink. With white. This one's pink and white.
Oh, that's pretty. They make it.
Oh, look at this flower. Look how pretty that is. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh, a banana tree.